You turn it on?
Yep.
Say hi.
Hi.
Go, bro, come here. Ow. Hi, Cynthia, say hi.
Hi.
Whoa!
Ashlynn.
Wait, come back.
Wait. Yeah, that's what I might be wrong, but I feel like something.
LJ smacked me in the face.
Is angle good enough? Is angle good?
I don't know. Can you fix it?
It seems pretty good.
Here, hold up your instrument.
Oh, is this supposed to get you?
No, it's supposed to get the crowd, I think.
It's not supposed to
Oh,
get
yeah, that's
you.
fine.
Why
That's
does it
fine.
matter?
Let me see.
Chill.
Can I see?
Say hi.
Oh my gosh, Luigi did this last year and I did the same thing.
Where's Caitlin?
Trumpet, double check your horn. Make sure you have the right instrument.
50. I think I'm 6 or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm 6. Does this look right? It feels right. Say hi. LJ smacked me in the face and I feel hurt now. Right here. He went.
It's funny because you're not looking at me.
Ooh, I guess we're playing. Are we gonna play? I love my light blue sash. It's Mr. Cool.
Brass, turn around. Brass, turn around and play. Brass, turn around.
Oh, I guess Winwin's not playing.
Do you play the turn around?
I can play it down tempo, but I can't play it up tempo yet. Because I just took it up the octave this week. Some of those notes were down an octave, that's why it sounded wonky. You'll hear it later in part 3 in my last feature. Oh yeah, she don't tan though, she's white. I know.
We have a little bit more aesthetics.
He's talking.
All that stuff on Saturday. Move the feet around.
Move our feet. Do some stretches. Shake, 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 senora. Shake your body light. Work, 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 senora. Working all the time. I like Mr. Spidle's blue shirt. He looks like the percussion sash. Do you see it? Look at the moon up there. Can you see that? Hope you can. It's real pretty. My mom's in the stands. She's looking at me. I stuck my tongue out at her, but she didn't do it back. Ouch. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten since like 12.
We have certain kids that have marched some games and some kids have marched other games. Tomorrow, or not tomorrow, Saturday, it is a prelim final style competition, so every band will march in the morning.
Look at our props. Only half are built. And they're built wrong, apparently. According to Mr. Spidle. No, Austin's not here. Only my mom. Mason's climbing the ladder. Let's lock in. I'm not standby. Woo! Just cheer for me, mortals. Overlord. Ooh.
Oh my god.
3, dun dun dun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Oh, there's an actual sash. 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6, 7, 9, 10. Grab the cape from the back. From the back, Emma. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Play loud. Hi, Sanchia. 1, 2, and 3, 4. Oh, there's an actual kid. 2, 4, 10. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Oh yeah. Push, 1. Stay in the square. 7, 9, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 4. Ah. Oh, gyrate!
Sit off my
I cannot see Haley or Mason because you're plume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Push. 1, 2, 3, 5. Wash your hands. 9. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bacon. 12, 13, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's that short guy? There he is. 1, 2. Behind Luigi. Up. Luigi's perfect. Where's that Sammy boy? 10, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Hit that pose. She looks like a baby dog. I'm hungry. I think I want water. Ihan's matching sashes with me.
Breath in.
They look like bumblebees.
About that one?
Woo! That one was pretty great.
Wait, I did this and we were supposed to do this.
I said it to Emma. I was like, back Emma.
Some deep breaths. Okay. We get the make sure we get the sash back up.
Where's Jaden?
Okay. Let's quietly, carefully, let's reset back to part 1. Color guard, start doing what you need to. Set up again.
No. Jaden, what do I do now?
Just press it.